to all our YouTube subscribers and friends. Thanks so much for tuning in today. We're at All Ford Day, hosted by Sanderson Ford in Glendale, Arizona, and brought to you by Nancy Perry Productions. Many awards were handed out, and this year's Best of Show was a beautiful 1970 Ford Torino GT convertible with a Thunderjet 429. It was very deserving and had some stiff competition. The weather was perfect, and a huge variety of cars and trucks were on Sanderson's lot by 8 a.m. Promoted by Nancy Perry Productions, there were over 200 cars throughout the day, and we enjoyed live music and even an Elvis impersonator. Well, at least I think it was an impersonator. Sanderson has an on-site 50s-style diner called the Starliner Diner, and they were busy serving up delicious traditional diner food throughout the day. Thanks go to Sanderson Ford, Nancy Perry Productions, and all the volunteers that make this show possible. Join us next week on Sunday, part 1 of this year's Meekum auction held in Glendale, Arizona. And then part 2 will be on Thursday. Until then, remember, please be careful out there.